Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if this is the first video of mine that you're catching, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I purchase online returns, liquidation, mystery boxes, etc. I unbox them live on this channel and then I list them for sale on these various platforms for a profit. Every time I order a new box, I like to come on here and show you what came inside in case you were interested in potentially ordering this for yourself to resell. And today we're doing an unboxing of the Assorted Footwear Wholesale. I know it's not the most descriptive name of a box, but this is from Helpsy source. It was a 5-piece shoe box. And so if you want to see what they sent me, definitely stick around. I've done pretty well with the Helpsy source ready to list footwear boxes. And even there's another one that's like damaged footwear. I did okay with that one too. This one is not the same as either one of those. It's different. So I did decide I wanted to give it a try. This is sold on the site in 5-piece bundles. I did order 2 bundles for the sake of a video. At least 10 items usually makes for a better video. But if you want to check it out, it is still available as of the day I started filming this. So it's 5 pair of shoes for $70. It does say that it can be new with tag, new without tag, customer returns. Some of them might have boxes, some don't. I can guarantee you there's not 10 shoe boxes in here, so I guess we'll see what they sent me. I do have a 10% off code for Helpsy Source. The code is OHYEAH, so if you just type in OHYEAH when you check out, or use the link down below, you'll get 10% off of your order, which I was able to do that here too. So $140 for 10 pairs of shoes, 10% off. But then I do have to pay shipping for Helpsy Source. They do not ship for free, unfortunately. So that added $13.62 to my order, making my cost per pair $13.96. Without the code, it's $14 per pair plus shipping. So I did save a little bit. But anyway, if you like reseller content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Anytime I unbox a new box, I will show you what comes inside in case you were interested in ordering it for yourself, and I will come back 90 days later and give you an update. Hit that like button if you could. That certainly helps out the channel as well. And let me know if you ordered this. This has been on the site for some time, and it took me a few weeks before I grabbed it. So if you got this, let me know after you see mine too. Let me know if yours was similar, the same, and if you were happy with it. I'm definitely interested to know. So I do rate all my boxes initially once I open it, and then again after 90 days. I will rate the ease of listing, quality of items, and profitability in 90 days. I will give it either an oh yeah if it's really good and I have some pretty high hopes, an oh okay if it's kind of just okay, and or if I'm not sure, and an oh no if I'm like, you know what, this probably wasn't the best investment, I can tell you up front. At the end, after 90 days, it could possibly be a very, very good holy grail or a very, very bad dumpster fire. I don't usually use those ratings when I first open the box, but, you know, never say never, I guess. This box for $14 per pair, I guess the cost is a little steep for the brands that could potentially be in here. So I guess we'll have to see, but I haven't opened it yet. We're going to open it together. What I'll do, I'll show you everything that's in here, then I'll get it all listed. I do use List Perfectly, so I manage all of my inventory through List Perfectly, and then I cross post to at least eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari so that I can get my my listings, my inventory in as front of as many eyes as possible. That really does increase my chance of a sale, and you'll see when I do the 90-day updates, I have sales on all the platforms. So yeah, everything I have is in bags. I don't see any boxes unless they're at the bottom. So let's get down into it. Okay, the first pair is the brand Ara, A-R-A. These are like slip-on, almost like ballet flats. They're a size 7.5. I mean, I would say they are new without box. They don't look like they've been worn. I have no clue what this brand is. They feel nice. They might be leather, but wait. Designed in Germany. No mention of brand. I mean, no mention of materials. All right, I'll have to look those up. I will say, one thing I love about mystery boxes, especially a mixed brand mystery box, is that I always get to learn about brands that I maybe have never heard of or that I never would have like put on my radar to look out for. And I get to, you know, increase my knowledge base. So Ara's gonna be a new one for me. These are Who What Wear. I don't know exactly where this is sold at. Probably some mid-tier department store like Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack. I mean, I guess they're new. They have the tag on them. They're a size 9. They've got a little blemish. I don't even know what that is. It's just like a blemish in the fabric. Yeah, these don't excite me very much at all. These loafers definitely would make a statement. This brand is Etta Grove, I think. Etta Grave, maybe. It's a little hard to see. These are a size 10. It says made in Spain. They're definitely like, I mean, if they're not like real calf skin or they're furry like an animal. There's a little blemish right there. A little red mark. And with this being the type of fabric it is, I don't know how to get that. I mean, I guess I could try to gently take a Tide stick to it. It looks like a pen mark, but I don't want to make it worse. I would say they probably are new. I mean, I don't see any signs of wear on the bottom or anything. But again, I have no knowledge of this brand, so I have no idea what it's worth. You guys are going to have to help me out with these brands if you know these. This is Cadet Marat. Somebody wrote on the bottom of these, which is not my favorite. Okay, here's the logo, Cadet Marat. Cadet. It says made in Spain. These do have, okay, so they're written on, but I guess I could peel off there's a sticker on the bottom, so that'll be easy cleanup. Yeah, so I guess they're new. Again, I have no idea what this brand is. No clue. They feel nice, but they're fabric. I mean, this might be suede. I don't know. Oh boy. This box is going to make me work. Which I don't necessarily mind if it's going to make me money. This one. We have a brand called Charles and Keith. These are definitely giving me Y2K vibes, which I guess are current vibes these days. These are definitely like homecoming shoes or prom shoes. They are, I mean, they don't look like they've been worn. What size are they? 39. I don't know what a 39 is. Maybe an 8 or so. Average size. It's not a small size. It's not a big size. Okay. Oh, these are heavy boots, whatever they are. These are Michael Kors. So these are Michael Kors combat looking boots. They're fabric up here. They're almost like a sock boot. The sticker on the bottom indicates that they are a sample. They're the Monty Soft Knit in a size 6. In my experience with sample pieces, nothing wrong with sample pieces necessarily. I mean, they are new without tag, but they tend to be the smallest sizes because they're to show the buyer. They're not to necessarily wear. So these are a size 6. not the best size necessarily. They're small, but somebody out there wears a size 6. So that might be okay. And especially if those retail pretty high. What is going on here? Oh my goodness, look at these things. Let's see. So these are this brand, Charles and Keith again. I feel like somebody needs these for their Halloween costume. Let me know in the comments what you would be to wear these shoes on Halloween. What would you be dressing up as? They're size 9 and they're brand new if anybody wants to make their costume reality come true. Although I feel like there's plenty of people that would wear these just on a normal, regular, not Halloween day. So, but again, I don't know anything about that brand or if that's good or bad. What's this? All right, so these are a snake print Botkier. I feel like I've heard of this brand. Maybe I picked it once up thrifting. I don't remember it doing that great though. I feel like it's sat forever. They're size 7. They do look like maybe they've been tried on at least, but yeah, maybe they could pass because there's absolutely no damage on the heels. So I could say maybe I could wipe those off and they're new without box effectively, I would say. 2 more pair. All right, these are Naturalizer, which actually do surprisingly well, I think. These are brand new for sure. I don't see any signs of wear on the soles there. These are a size 10 double wide, and they are Mary Jane type wedge heels. Is that a wedge? A block heel? Stacked heel? It's not really a wedge. 10 double wide, huh? That's an odd size. But again, somebody out there is probably looking for these. Okay, 1 more pair. Last pair, best pair? Maybe. Oh boy. These are Sam Edelman. And these, oh my goodness, these are a bit gaudy. Wow. I'm trying to fix. My OCD is not going to let these flowers be all cramped up like this. Oh man. Okay, so the flowers on the top are made of beads. And they're a slingback kitten heel. Maybe these have been tried on, but otherwise they look pretty new. There's a little bit of like dirt on the bottom, I guess. I think I still could pass these as new without box. I mean, they're pretty new. There's no signs of being on anybody's feet in the inside. So these are a size 7. And I have no idea if somebody needs these or not, but I guess we're going to try. So let me just double check. That was the last pair. Let me just double check and make sure that there are 10 pair here. Okay, so as expected, there are 10 pair of shoes here. So let me go ahead and rate this. Ease of listing is going to get an okay, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but I have to do research on most of this. Very few of these I'm going to just be able to find quickly. I'll have to figure out how much to charge, what comps are, because they're brands I'm not familiar with. And again, that's not necessarily a bad thing. This is a huge learning opportunity for me. But it is going to be a little more work than, I guess, my average box that I buy. So I'll give it an okay. Quality of items. I didn't see anything just at first pass that had any major flaws. Everything looks ready to list. Everything does look new without box. So I will give quality of items, I'll give it an oh yeah. And then profitability in 90 days. I really don't know. I don't know because I have a lot of research to do. $14 per pair is steep, but I might actually have enough in here that's worth that to at least double my money. So I'm going to have to go with okay. If you know anything about any of these brands, let me know in the comments. I can use all the help I can get on these. If you're interested in any of it, check out my Poshmark, eBay, Mercari. I'm going to get this stuff listed as quickly as possible so that I can update you as quickly as possible. So definitely check and see if it's there. If it's not there yet, keep checking. It'll be there eventually. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the 90-day update on this one. This one should be very interesting. And if you want to get one for yourself, like I said, I think they were still available as of the day I filmed this. So use code OHYEAH when you check out, or use the link down below. You can grab some for yourself. Hit that like button on the way out if you could. And that is it for today, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video.